We will introduce various functions for material management in Nexim. Material management using Nexim makes offline changeover more efficient and is in the do stage. The navigation screen clearly shows the feeder loading position, helping operators perform smooth changeover work without hesitation. The status of parts out can be constantly monitored to prevent machine stops due to parts running out. Floor life is automatically tracked in accordance with work to prevent quality deterioration. Box life, which indicates storage conditions in a dry box, is also tracked. This allows appropriate operation based on the condition of the material.
FUJI, innovative spirit.